Hi everyone, this is Real from the channel. So in this episode, I'm just done the DIY gate service and cleaning my air conditioner, and the brand is Panasonic. So everything done by myself, and later on I will show you before the cleaning how bad and how dirty inside the air conditioner. Okay. Hi everyone, this is the channel. So in this episode, I'm going to share with you how to clean the air conditioner by the brand Panasonic R32 inverter air conditioner. Right. So it's been a while I didn't open the cover and clean the air conditioner. So I just take out the box. Before that, you have to unscrew. Okay. Before they have to unscrew 1, 2. And this is optional, but I prefer to uninstall. Okay, so in this episode I'm not going to take out this because this one require quite some time to actually to clean. So I just want to clean the internal, the fan and the wings. Alright, so I open the switch and the wing will automatically turns out. So I need to remove the wing so that I can clean the internal dirty. As you can see, all the years collected, the dirty dust, okay, will grow the bacteria and the mold inside. Right. So if you're curious about what is this styrofoam, the purpose, which actually they are kind of using this kind of cheapest way to sink the excess cold water. All right, so you can see this, the water. Okay, see the water. Okay, actually the aircon does come with the so-called nano E to help you purify the viruses and bacteria, but somehow not everyone always turn on the feature. So here you can see this section collect all the wastage water. So if you not regularly clean, so it will grow a lot of bacteria and virus inside the air conditioner. So now what I'm going to do, I will not remove this part. I will just use the tissue paper to wipe away the water, and this part I will use some tools and cleanse away the dust only. Because previously I tried uninstall the whole things and clean, it will take many hours. The difficulty is when you dismantle is easy, when you reassemble back it takes hours, so it's not easy. But if you just want to clean a piece of mind, for this part it's good enough. Alright, so see you on the next one. Alright, so this is the internal side of the cover. So I need to clean the mold. Right, clean all the mold away. Ladies and gentlemen, so this is the wing, the bottom is wing, and this is the drainer. Okay, so all the while we kept the water inside the drainer and through the pipe and flush it out, but this foam, this styrofoam, I don't think we have the parts to change this. So you have to clean regularly, at least maybe 6 months, a few months. Okay, and see if it doesn't clean regularly, so you grow the mold inside, will impact our breathing system, respiratory system. Alright, so this is very dirty, you know. Alright, I'm going to use the alcohol wipe and wipe away. Alright, after a bunch of effort, I'm using the alcohol wipe to sanitize and clean away all the mess and the mold. But somehow some of the stain is already inside, so it's hard to clear. Suppose if you're willing to wash, it's okay, but because my area is not full of sunshine, so I have no choice to just use the alcohol wipe to disinfect. So this is the after the drainer. After I clear away the mess, it looks better a bit, better than just now, better than the beginning. If I can, I will show you the before after. Okay. Because one of the reasons I didn't choose to wash is because I'm afraid after I use the water and wash, this one will be very hard to drain. And if it doesn't drain, it will create more molds. It will create more and more molds and bacteria trapped inside. Right. So it's not 100%, but I would say maybe 60 to 70%. It does serve the purpose of this video. Okay, just now when I show, these are all the dirtiness. Okay, this stain is hard to clear. And I believe if this alcohol disinfect cannot clear, so you use water or soap, it will be also hard to clear. Alright. This is the internal. See the motor. Okay, and you see this inside, all the dirtiness. Alright, the mold. If you did not clean the mold and the dirty, everything you will absorb inside your respiratory system. It will impact your health. So therefore, you need to install another home air treatment system. Is the best solution in case to just reduce your lung burden. Okay. Alright, so I decided to remove the blow wheel. Alright, I decided to remove the wheel blower, so to do some washing to clear the dust, because it's very hard to use sanitizer. But in order to wash this thing, make sure that you have to blow it dry, so that inside you will have the water and track the water inside, and then will go bacteria and viruses. So it's best that after you remove and use the Amway, the LOC, you have the what do you call, to sustain the dust. So after you wash away, and then make sure you have to use the hair dryer to blow it or everything dry. Only can install back. See. So this is all the mold inside. I decided to clean this part first. Later I will use water and wash the wheel blower. Alright. Okay, right now it's time to clean the wheel blower. Okay, but you know the dust when they attempt the water, so it will become very hard to wash away. Okay, so now I will recommend multi-purpose cleaner. The formula, it has the BioQuest. So it play the role as a biodegradable. So it helps you to subside all the dust, right? So how is going to work? Okay, so now using a pail, and then press 2 pump, okay, or maybe 3 pump, okay. And in order to clean it well, you may also use a sponge, because the multi-purpose cleaner, it can create a lot of bubbles, okay, so it helps you to cost saving. Alright, make sure every corner have some LC, so later when you wash, so the dust will more easy to subside and wash away. So just to show you the wheel blower after soak the LC just a little while only, you can see most of the dust is already subside, right? I've not even used a lot of pressure to clear away. So you see how amazing is the multi-purpose cleaner, and it's not expensive. Alright, so I'll use soap upside down, so make sure every corner have the LC, the bubble. So just simply wipe up the straw away. Later I will just use the pipe and clean it away. So this is good. If you want to know more, please contact me. It's quite good, and you can clean everything in your household you want to clean. This also can apply, and the formula is coconut oil. It's not harmful, even though sensitive skin people also can use. I'm very satisfied with the results. Okay, later we'll use the pipe and clear away the inside. Clear away the insides. Okay. So after using the pipe, flush away the dust, so we can use tissue paper, try the results. I'm kind of satisfied. It won't be 100%, but at least you can hit 70 or 80% to clear away the dust. Is very satisfied already. Still have a bit, so we can soak the second round. You can see the dust, the water inside is dark. Okay, so we can soak it again, no problem. Yeah, you can see all the dust is already subside into the water. Okay, after using the pipe to flush all the dust away, so now is the crucial part. You have to use the dryer and blow everything is dry, so that make sure your air conditioning stay dry. Although I know the air conditioner will create the water trapped inside, but it is best that you can use the air dryer to blow it dry. And also after install everything, it is best recommended to use the fan function to make sure it blow everything dry, and only can start to use the air conditioning. Right. Okay, after clean everything, dust is away, so it's time to install back to the back in position. Alright, just install back the air blower. Okay, so you see this area, there is a nut here. So this one you have to align and screw it back. Okay. This is right, tucked in, and this is the left. This is the left. Okay. This is left. Left, right. Alright, so after clean the pre-filter and take out and clean the wings and the drains and the wind blower. Okay, now I install everything back in position. So now the very last step is install back the pre-filter. Okay, the pre-filter I not encouraged to wash because, as I said, the dust once got wet, the dust will be getting stuck in the net, so it's not easy to clean away. Okay, it's just an illusion when you thought it's clean after you flush it away, but actually it's not. Okay, so now it's done. Alright, so this is the last step, everything back in the position. So turn on the switch. Turn on the switch and the remote control. Okay, because just now I did a quite deep cleaner, so now I want to make sure inside is dry. I will press the Nano E to make sure it's using the fan mode and also the purification mode. So the winds comes out, it's not the air conditioning, it's not cooling air, but the air will help you to dry what's inside. Okay, so let the water become drained and dry. Result, I'm very satisfied because you can see the inside 90% is already clean. Let me swing that. Okay, 90% clean. Took me about 3 to 4 hours to done everything. So whichever want to DIY and clean the air conditioner by itself, so you would make sure every single screw you have to screw before you end of the work, right? And I'm quite satisfied with the results. I can say it's a 90% clean inside the air blower and also the wings, right? I clean everything. Alright, so if you get something from this video, hope you like and subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram and like my Facebook page, and leave your thought down in the comment section below. Okay. And one more thing, just now there's one terrible mistake I left behind is there's one of the screw I forgot to screw inside, so caused the water leaking in the styrofoam. So just now I saw the water leaking out from the cover. Then I think it's very curious. Then when I open the cover, wow, it's just like a heavy rain like that. It falls every water from inside. So after I screw it back every tight in every nuts, okay, now it's back to normal. Okay, so now I save around 250. Okay, see you then.